Hi guys, this is the shower caddy that I picked up from Amazon. I'll be setting it up in my shower. I used to have the shower caddy that used to hang over the shower head. I changed out my shower head and I had to get rid of the other one. So now I got a new one. This one is, you get two of these shelves that are similar in size, and then you get these adhesive hooks that they hang off of. They can hold up to about 30 pounds, so pretty good weight. Watch as I set this up. Nothing really technical that's required. All I have is my tape with me, obviously to measure out and make sure that everything is aligned, and a marker, but other than that, not very technical at all. So hope you learn from this, and hopefully you pick up one of these for your shower as well, so you don't have to worry about the old crappy ones that hang off of the shower head. Alright, so I unboxed everything. So this is what I have here. This is for the soap. This is for, this is soap as well. Some people can use this for razors. And then here you have two of the shelves as well. This is probably where a majority of your shower items will go to. Your air conditioner, shampoo, and all that, body wash, all that good stuff. And then these are the adhesive hooks that are going to go on the wall. These two large ones, these two long ones are for these particular shelves, the shower caddies. So very simple. It's just a matter of measuring it out, placing these the right way, and ensuring that they don't go over. And these short ones are for the bar soap. And so this is what it's gonna look like. So these are gonna stick on the wall, and then I'm essentially going to, that way, and then I'm essentially going to have one of these hang on these hooks like that. Same thing for the other one, the other longer shelf, which is, here we go, and once it's on the wall, that's going to go ahead and hang on this adhesive piece of plastic that's going to stick on the wall. All right, so let's get it over and done with. All right, so now it's time to hang this on here after we put the plastic hanger on. So you can see the hooks are up, pointing up, pointing up. This is the edge of this caddy that's gonna be hung on this thing. So I'm gonna push it down, and there it snaps into place. It's very stable. You can move it to the side, to the right, and until you align it the way you just want it, and that's that. So there you go. That's the first part of the job done, and now we'll be looking at doing the other shelves. Hi guys, just finishing up here. One more piece to go, but as you can tell, just took really under 10 minutes to get all this set up. Very easy to do. Those sticky adhesives are plastic, can hold up to 30 pounds each, so very durable, very easy to stick on the walls. Once you measure everything up, it looks professionally done, and it looks amazing compared to what we had before, which was a caddy that was hanging off of the shower head. So just one more piece to go, but just wanted to show you the progress. It looks nice and clean, and car looks a lot more organized than before.